Hey guys, Michael here with iKamper, bringing you a closer look at our brand new Xcover 2.0 series tents. As you can see here, this is our all new Xcover 2.0 Mini, of which comfortably sleeps 2 people. And over here is our larger Xcover 2.0, which comfortably sleeps 3 to 4. Of all the tents in this series, they both share the same traits and features. And with that, let's go ahead and take a deeper dive. So probably one of the most notable features that you've noticed right away is going to be our brand new tent colors, of which offer a sleek, sexy new design. These colors are a midnight gray, granite, and deep burgundy. On the 2.0 Mini, you can see that the Rainfly is deployed, of which features an eco-friendly waterproof fabric. When the Rainfly is out, it provides great coverage, especially when the wet weather elements are unfavorable. Though, when you know when weather permits and there's no rain in the forecast, you can actually go ahead and remove that Rainfly completely, of which exposes our 300 GSM polycotton canvas. This allows the tent to ventilate and breathe in all weather elements, but also provides great light suppression on those mornings that you want to sleep in. With our in-house manufacturing process of both the Rainfly and the canvas, they offer a true 4-season camping experience. So starting off at the front of the tent, you'll find 4 accessory hooks for mounting your shoe and storage racks, of which are located right at the front entry door. So as we work our way to the side of the tent, one of the biggest updates that we've made to our Xcover series is going to be our single tension pole used for deploying the side window awnings. This enables great views, but also protection from the weather elements. Why this setup is so unique is it enables a faster process, but also the ability to mount when inside the bed of a pickup truck. So while we're on the topic of windows, let's go ahead and head to the back and showcase a brand new feature. At the back of the tent, we've actually redesigned the window canopy, so when you're using the tension poles, not only does it allow extra light to pass through, but also great ventilation. However, when the weather is unfavorable, you can actually go ahead and zip down this window to act as a hard shell during windy conditions. In addition, we have one new great feature to this window, so let's go ahead and hop in and take a closer look. This is our brand new blind system. So as you can see, gone are the days of needing to roll up your exterior window canopy. When the tension poles aren't in place and using the drawstrings while inside the tent, you can have views within seconds. While we're in here, let's go ahead and have a closer look at the rest of the interior features. Based on our community's feedback, we're proud to introduce our brand new mattress that measures in at 3 inches in thickness. It also includes a 9-zone design, providing comfort in all the right places while evenly distributing body weight. On the bottom of the mattress, it also has an insulation layer for mitigating condensation as well as providing heat retention. On the mattress cover, it has been redesigned with a quilted pattern for added warmth, comfort, and insulation. So I'm currently sitting inside the Xcover 2.0, and because of the book style opening, this particular tent offers a massive amount of room with a mattress just over a California king-size bed. We have 7.5 feet in length, and when compared to the Xcover 2.0 Mini, it offers the same length but with a width of 1.5 feet shorter. The head height room is about 45 inches, of which offers plenty of space when relaxing and sleeping, no matter what the weather elements may be outside. Coming standard on all our tents are going to be 2 storage pockets on either side. This allows you to host any number of things, including your keys, cell phone, wallets, or any other items you might need overnight. Directly above that is going to be our brand new window system using the upgraded YKK zippers. This allows you to open both the bug screen and privacy layers simultaneously. However, if you want to open those independently, you absolutely can. These windows provide great ventilation and views out of any direction. All of our Xcover 2.0 series tents offer 360-degree views, in addition to 2 massive Skyview lights that not only allow great light to come in, but also the ability to fall asleep under the stars. So with that, let's go ahead and hop out and let's showcase some of the closing features that make this tent stand out from some of the rest. As you can see here, we have 2 sleeping bags stacked on top of each other towards the rear. This allows you to keep additional bedding inside when closing the tent. For ease of convenience when setting up or packing down your tent, the tension pole bag has now been attached to the front entry door, allowing for much better organization and making the process that much easier. Now that the tent is all closed up, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the exterior features. As you can see here, our Xcover series tent is a true patented hybrid design of a hard and soft shell tent, of which results in a more efficient setup and pack down process, eliminating the bulky PVC cover as well as finicky zipper systems. As you can see here, our weatherproof skirt runs the perimeter of the tent, of which is secured by using our easy to close system. On top of the tent is going to be our rocky black FRP shell that offers protection from abrasion, is strong, lightweight, durable, and UV resistance. As you can see, in addition is going to be our crossbars on top, which allow the ability to carry skis, bikes, kayaks, boards, and more. Thank you all so much for following along in the showcasing of our brand new Xcover 2.0 series tents. In closing of this video, we wanted to showcase the setup and pack down process, so my colleague Aaron and I are going to go ahead and demonstrate that now.